Hello and welcome to the walk around video here at your next car. As always, we are going to begin with a walk around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm going to talk you through major talking points and features of this X4 XDRIVE 3-litre D M Sport. As always, we've of course also made some YNC styling additions to the vehicle. So at the front of the car you'll notice we've added the gloss black kidney grills. You'll see there it's a 2016 plate, as the Angel Iron xenon headlamps. Equipped to the car was the optional extra 20-inch alloy wheels, which we've had fully refurbished in the gloss black once again, thanks to the very high response to the previous X4 that we had in. Down the side of the car you'll notice the sun protection glazing. It's also equipped to this vehicle, and we'll move on for our first glance at the interior, where we have the very nice black Dakota leather, which comes with the electric lumbar adjustment and the heated seat option. As you can see there, all very nice condition leather seats with the oyster stitching, and all of the interior is very nicely kept and all in very nice condition. Moving around towards the rear of the car, where again you'll find the Isofix 3-seat rear bench with a central folding armrest, and is a hugely spacious place in the X4, and of course a darkened M Sport headlining once again. Making our way around towards the rear of the vehicle, again showing you off those 20-inch alloy wheels. We've also added a very nice rear spoiler to this car, again just to finish off that bit more of an aggressive look. Opening up the tailgate, which is of course automatic for the X4, both opening and closing. There you can see just how much of a large boot space that really is. And of course we've also got the option for the split folding seats. We've also got a rear facing reversing camera, which again I'll show you a little bit more of in just a second. Of course, the nicety thing of the X4 is it is an SUV with genuine off-road capabilities. Although a lot of you may think, well, I'm not going to generally take it off-road, it is of course always nice to know that should the weather change for the worse, it will handle anything that the weather can of course throw at it. Moving on to take a seat inside the vehicle, where we're greeted by the very nice professional wide navigation and media screen that this vehicle also comes equipped with. On screen now there is that rear facing reversing camera with both front and rear parking sensors, and we'll just run through a couple of the features and functions, starting with the map screen. Bluetooth for both telephone and of course audio. We've got DAB along with a wide array of multimedia inputs as well, including CD, DVD, USB, Bluetooth audio, and of course AUX inputs as well. As I mentioned, we've got the heated seats. We've also got dual climate control and a superb sports automatic gearbox with the paddle shift, cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all situated on this very nice multifunction M Sport steering wheel. In terms of mileage, this vehicle's covered just over 48,000 miles, again as you can see on screen. So going back to a little bit I just mentioned ago about some of that four-wheel drive capability, the X4 also comes with the hill descent control. So should you be travelling down a slippery surface, i.e. a slippery wet field, engaging this you can set the required speed and the vehicle will control how it goes down that using special wheel speed sensors, and controlling that using the ABS to keep things nice and steady, and of course keeping you safe at all times. And again, although you may think I'm not going to take it off-road, as I've mentioned, it's always nice to be reassured that should the weather change and be for the worst travelling, you know that this vehicle will handle it. And of course it's always nice to have that aspect of safety when looking at a car like this one, as of course there is also room for the family on board as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and of course found it useful. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below and I'll happily get back to you as soon as possible. Further information can be found in the description box, where you can be linked to our website and of course direct contact with ourselves here at Your Next Car. Hopefully you found this an informed video, and hopefully it'll help you make an informed decision upon purchasing your next car. And most of all though, we'll hopefully see yourself soon. Take care, goodbye.